too. Look at that fucking mansion. Must be nice, huh? Little dad back there gave me the thumbs up. Mad respect for bikers. That's what I like to see, man. That's what I like to see, man. So what's going on, YouTube? I just had 2 weeks off of work, and it's Monday. And guess where I'm going? Back to work. It's supposed to be nice as fuck out today. Seriously, that's like May weather. And we're in fucking April, man. Slow down there, pork chop. Ah, man. So yeah, man, I'm on my way back to work after 2 fucking weeks, bruh. 2 weeks, bruh. Man, it was good to be home, man. I didn't even go nowhere. We didn't even do nothing. I don't know how vacations are going to be looking this year as far as traveling. But, maybe we'll do something in the middle of the summer, but I just needed fucking 2 weeks to recharge the batteries, fucking collect my thoughts, just to be out of work, man, you know? Work sucks. I don't give a fuck what you do. Hey, I made it around that bump without fucking crushing my balls. Unless you got your own business literally doing what you love doing. That's the only thing I can see. Yo, something's wrong with my gear indicator, guys. I'll be in fucking 4th, that shit'll say I'm in 6th, and then it'll be fucking just going crazy, like brrr, going up and down. I gotta call the dealer where I got this from. Looks like some electrical issues already, and my fucking fuel gauge, my fuel light is on. Why is it every time I come to fucking work my fuel light comes on, man? Come on. What the fuck? I got time for that. How many miles I got when my light comes on? Like 60? What do I got? Basically another tank's worth of gas in there? I definitely know I could make it to work and back, but... And it sucks too, coming back from vacation. Everybody at work's like, oh, you're back. Where'd you go? Damn, 2 weeks. Da, 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 da. It's like, motherfucker. Yeah, I got the same shit you got. It's called PTO, personal time off, and you can do whatever the fuck you want with it. I decided to take 2 fucking weeks off. Sorry I didn't fucking ask for your approval before I did it. You know? Some dudes are just fucking nosy, man, you know? They just need to know everything. Fucking garbage lined streets here, man. Why don't you fucking city do something about it? Why don't you do something about it? Hartford? Fucking garbage ass streets. Shit everywhere. Plastic bottles and paper bags and plastic bags. Fuck is all that noise? Hartford. You know what their fucking slogan is? Connecticut's rising star. Connecticut's rising star. Fucking joke that is, huh? What's up and coming about this city? Fucking crime rate? That's the only thing that goes up in this city. There are those fucking stats right there. Wait right there, bus. We gotta wait for you every fucking day. Come on, man. Come on. Go, man. Come on. Oh, you fucker. Hopefully, weatherman's right, and it's damn near 80 when I get out this bitch. Y'all going to work? Y'all going to school? You staying home jerking off? Whatever it is you guys do, do it well. Ride safe. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace. What is going on? YouTube. Just getting out of work. It's fucking hot as hell. I love it. Where's Crack Titties at? This street right here? Always got the crackheads on them. All up and down this sidewalk right here. You see them fucking walking. As soon as you drive by them, they turn around, make sure to see if you to see if you fucking stop. Flag them down. You know, and some of them, it's sad though too, because some of them look like normal girls, normal women, until you get up close and you see that fucking face, the sunken in cheeks and the fucking crater face. It's too bad, man. There's this one girl that me and my boy Mike always look out for. We call her Crack Titties. We call her Crack Titties. She's got these big fake titties that she fucking lets hang out. And she wears like a fucking tube top and shit. And you see them fucking torpedo fucking nipples poking through her shirt from all the way down the fucking street. Me and my boy Mike say, "Oh, you seen Crack Titties today?" She'll be out there soon once the weather starts getting nice. I fuck with them. I beep at them and shit. They stop. They literally stop walking in their tracks. They turn around, almost fucking start walking backwards towards you. You're like, bitch. You're like Baker Eggs Derek. Bitch! I ain't picking your ass up. Yeah, that's crazy, man. It's like somebody's fucking daughter and shit, you know? It's sad. What are you gonna do, man? They made some fucked up choices in life. And now they're out here fucking tricking. Man, it is fucking hot out here, man. This dude over here with his R1. It's a pretty nice bike. Fill that bitch up to the top. Get me the fuck out of here. And here we go. This bike sounds, man. It's got to be that two bros. It's got to be that two bros, man. Okay, you're not gonna go? Fucking dumb bitch. Sit there then. I'll catch y'all later. TNC, and I'm out. Bitch. Peace.